Hello and welcome to our STEM challenges. My name is Leanne Mee. I am the founder of a company called the STEM Workshop, and I work to inspire young people and expose them to careers across science, design and technology, engineering and maths. I have been working in partnership with the Marches Centre of Manufacturing and Technology and INCOM, the training provider, for over the last year, to provide STEM engagement opportunities to help young people connect to the range of careers across engineering and manufacturing in particular. The work that I have done across Shropshire and Telford and Wrekin has all been funded by the European Social Fund. Through this work we have engaged with thousands of young people to help them understand what opportunities are out there locally in engineering and manufacturing. So we have developed a range of STEM challenges to allow young people like yourself to be given a platform and a context to share your knowledge and experience, to show how innovative you can be as an engineer and what sort of skills you have. Each of the challenges is linked to a different industry sector, some of which you may not have even heard of. We hope they provide an opportunity to help you understand what the different sectors are, but each challenge is also linked to different companies to help you begin to understand just how large the engineering and manufacturing industry is and what opportunities are out there for you to apply for. We hope you enjoy them. We look forward to seeing your creations. Thank you for listening.